right, welcome back to the channel. We're still in the Focus 4 Toolbox topic series, and we're still in the caught in or between, and this is the third video in the series of 4, and this one is called Machinery and Guards. Well, let's go ahead and get started. Some of the most dangerous machines on a job site aren't the biggest ones. They're the ones we use every day. Saws, conveyors, presses, augers, rotating shafts, hydraulic attachments. They work so well and so reliably that we forget one important truth. Machines don't think. They just do. A machine will keep moving whether your hand is in there or not, whether the guard is removed or not, and whether you're just reaching in for a second or not. Here's a real job site story. A worker was cleaning debris from a conveyor system that had jammed. The machine was shut down, but not locked out. As he reached in, someone upstream reset the system. The conveyor kicked on instantly. His glove was caught. His hand followed. By the time the machine stopped, several fingers were crushed beyond repair. No malfunction, no freak accident, just stored energy in a missing lock. Why machinery injuries happen? Machines create pinch points, shear points, and rotating hazards that human reflexes cannot beat. Guards are designed to keep body parts out of those danger zones, but guards are often removed for convenience, speed, or visibility. Lockout tagout exists because machines store energy, whether it be electrical, hydraulic, pneumatic, or mechanical. Turning equipment off does not make it safe. Here are some common machinery and guard hazards. Missing or bypassed machine guards. Reaching into energized equipment. Clearing jams without lockout. Rotating shafts and couplings. Belts, chains, and pulleys. Hydraulic drift or stored pressure. Working too close to moving parts. If it spins, slides, presses, or cycles, it can catch you. Now, how do we work safely around machinery? Number 1, never bypass guards. Guards exist because someone was hurt before they were installed. Number 2, lock it out every time. If you're cleaning, clearing, adjusting, or repairing, the machine must be locked out and verified de-energized. Number 3, verify zero energy. Test controls, bleed pressure, block moving parts. Number 4, maintain safe clearance. Keep hands, clothing, and body parts out of moving zones. Number 5, use tools, not body parts. Hooks, push sticks, and tools keep distance between you and danger. Here's some dangerous habits that cause these injuries. It's just jammed. I'll be quick. Trusting someone else not to start it. Removing guards to speed up work. Wearing loose clothing near moving parts. Failing to lock out because production is behind. Most machinery injuries happen during maintenance, cleaning, and adjustment, not normal operations. As supervisors, enforce guard uses without exception. Require lockout for all servicing tasks. Train workers on energy sources. Stop work when guards are missing. Never reward speed over safety. If the guard is missing, the machine is out of service. In closing, machines don't get tired. They don't hesitate. They don't care who's in the way. If a guard is removed, danger moves closer. If energy isn't locked out, risk is still present. So guard the machine, lock it out, verify that it's dead. Because when machines move, they don't stop for flesh and bone. All right, boys and girls, that's my thoughts on the subject. I appreciate you stopping by, and I appreciate you watching. Make sure you give me the thumbs up down below to encourage me to make more videos. Also, subscribe to the channel where you'll find additional safety videos and you'll be notified of new releases. Make sure you share these videos with associates and coworkers and comment on the content of this video. And until we see each other again, look out for yourself because you're number one. Look out for your coworkers and help ensure their safety. And most importantly, have a grateful day, and we'll see you next time. Safety is all on you. It's all on you, man.